Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching D's Life 2021 on YouTube, and today I'm going to share how to do pedicure at home, obviously in pandemic with limited products. So first, all you need a nail cutter as per your choice and a nail filer, a hydrogen peroxide solution, a foot scrubber or any scrubber you want, you use it, some salt, not sea salt, it's white salt, liquid soap, a old brush, razor, and any lotion or cream as well. Okay, so now I am adding about a tablespoon of white salt and some liquid soap. You can use any other liquid soap like Dettol hand wash soap or hair shampoo, and then add hydrogen peroxide solution. You easily can buy it from any cosmetic or chemist shop. It can effectively kill the fungus on the surface level of the foot. So now I am taking 2 tablespoons of this hydrogen peroxide solution. But before that, you also need to take off any old nail paint that you might have on your toes. I am taking liquid nail paint removal pad. You can use anything that's easily available to you. Next, I am taking off my toe rings. This is my everyday bichwas that I am wear because this is flat ring which does not stuck on my sandals and shoes when I wear. Now first step is to soak feet about 5 to 10 minutes in this water. It is also relaxing because warm water helps to pulling out any stress from your body. Now the next step is use your nail cutter to cut your nails. I am basically cutting my extra nails and cut it in a small size, but this step is depends on you. If you want to keep your nails short or long or pointed, just cut or shape your nails in any shape that you want to. And yes, I have a little bit hair growth on my fingers, so I use this lady's razor. This is very gentle blades on it. You easily find this in any beauty shop. Now I'm also going to remove all dirt or any dirt under the nails with the help of this nail filer. Just in short, clean your nails and remove all the dirt under your nails. Next, I'm using old toothbrush to clean all the dirt or dead skin on my nails. This is basically also a reuse of toothbrush. Now I am taking this CK body scrub or exfoliator. You can use any kind of exfoliator, but if you do not have any, you can easily use salt and sugar available in your kitchen easily. After this, just wash your feet with plain water. Since my skin feels really very dry, so I'm applying Nivea body lotion, and it makes skin super duper soft. Make sure when you apply cream or lotion, you are not only apply the top of the feet, you also apply it under your feet. And this is the overall process. This is my way to do pedicure at home. Next, I am painting my nails using basic fuchsia pink nail paint and seal it with a transparent top coat. My feet are good to go at least 1 or 2 months. After this, I repeat this procedure. So this is how to make your dirty looking feet into fabulous pretty feet. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit on the like button. I will see you in my next video. Bye.